Coffee. So Jamie,
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Last time we talked about the MakeX Spark online competition for 2020.
Yeah.
And we talked about the timetable, the theme, and the procedure.
Yep.
That was really interesting, right?
Yes, it was.
So today we're going to talk about MakeX Spark's 2020 Assessments and Awards highlights.
Yeah. The MakeX Spark assessment is very detailed and precise. You can use it as a great rubric, and you have to watch to the end because you would know how to design your project to get the most high score.
So stay tuned and no peeking.
So now how your project is graded is in 5 dimensions. And each dimension, the score, will be related to the performance of the contestants and the content of the submitted project.
Yep.
Now here are the 5 dimensions. The first one is electronic technology.
Second is programming ability.
Third is design ability.
And fourth is innovative thinking.
And finally, it is communication skill.
Yep, so let's get into them one by one in detail.
Okay, so the first one is electronic technology. Electronic technology, to get a good point, is you need to use different electronic modules such as sensors, like an ultrasonic sensor, touch
Color
sensors,
sensor.
or the servo, and to accomplish the main goal of your project. And you
okay.
also have to use different types of electronic modules.
Oh, okay. So let's move on to the second one, which is programming ability. So for programming ability, you're able to do text-based programming and block-based programming. So you're able to do Java and C language and stuff like that.
Yep.
And you can code different structures like sequences, loops, and selections.
Make your code more precise and easy.
Yep. And when you run your code, it runs smoothly and the functions are accurately achieved.
So now the third one is design ability. Design ability is divided into 2 points. The first point is structure application. Second point is exterior design.
Yep.
Structure application is to design a complex mechanical structure that has different structures, such as instead of attaching an ultrasonic sensor normally to your robot, you can build like a head and then attach it there.
Oh.
Or you can build legs instead of having to move forward normally.
Interesting idea. Pause maybe. Okay, so let's move on to exterior design.
Exterior design is to use a variety of maker art, which is 3D printing and laser cutting. But if you don't have this, it's completely fine. It won't affect your score at all. But if you do, make sure to use it because it'll improve your score.
Yeah, so it does affect your score a little bit.
In a good way.
Yeah, let's move on to innovative thinking.
Okay.
This one also has 2 parts, innovation and theme relation. So innovation is that the solutions must be unique, uses creativity and imagination.
Yep.
And there should be no other highly stimulated projects. So now for theme relation. It's obvious.
Yeah.
It should be related to the theme.
Yeah.
So pretend like the theme was smart lights and we accidentally did housework helper. That wouldn't really be too great.
You can think outside the box, but make sure to think outside the box in the box of the theme.
Yeah. Think outside in the box.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now number 5 is communication skill. Communication skill is split into 2 points: oral expression and process presentation.
Yep.
For oral expression, you need to have speak in demonstration video with rich vocabulary and don't stumble on your words.
Yep.
Also, you have to have precise descriptions about what you're going to say.
Yep.
And now for the process presentation, you have to explain your problem solutions along the way of your project.
Oh, okay.
Now, since we're done with our
Assessments.
Yep, we're going to move on to awards. And by the way, not only do you gain knowledge from the process and problems of your project, but you also get awards along with it.
So
So
that's
you gain
great.
knowledge and awards.
So why don't you just join MakeX? I
Yeah,
mean, it's really
It's
fun
a
too.
win-win. So now we're going to move into awards, okay?
Yep.
There are 4 special awards, which is the Young Engineer Award,
Young Designer Award
Best Creativity,
and Best Demonstration.
correct. So now let's look at the overall special awards.
Okay.
So the top 50 contestants of the score ranking have a chance to get the special award.
Yep.
So, but only one special award can be given to, there can only be one award per person.
Yep. And all the contestants receiving special awards have the opportunity to apply for the World Robot Contest.
Interesting.
Very interesting. Let's move on to the detail.
So, the first award is the Young Engineer Award. The Young Engineer Award is for people who excel in 2 dimensions, programming ability and electronic technology. They also need to have the electronic modules function well and needs to run smoothly without any hiccups or hitches.
Yep. So let's move on to the second one, which is the Young Designer. It's like your picture or your construction, your robot, it looks so great that everyone just like comes in like it's attractive and everyone just comes in wows.
That's interesting.
Yeah, it's interesting. It's exciting. It has like expression to it that everyone wants to look at it.
Yeah.
It's like an art museum. Yeah, they want to look at famous people's art. It's kind of like that.
So, Afi, what dimension does you have to like
Excel in?
Yeah.
Design ability.
Oh.
If you do well in this, you have a big opportunity to get the Young Designer
It
Award.
increases your chances.
So
So now moving on to the third special award is the Best Creativity. Best Creativity is that the contestants need to show unique theme exploration and innovation. As I said, think outside the box. And they also need to excel in innovative thinking, which is one of the dimensions.
Yep. Now for best demonstration. This award, if you do well in communication skill, you have lots of chance to get this award. And this means that your demonstration, the video will be rich and your vocabulary will be correct. Your grammar is also correct. Now for my favorite award.
And this is not in the special awards anymore.
Mm-hmm.
It's the Young All-Rounder Award. In each competition, the top 5 contestants of the total score ranking can win the Young All-Rounder Award.
Oh, cool.
And the winners of this award are qualified for MakeX World Championship.
Wow.
That's
so,
a big step.
Yeah, if you get that award, you're already inside the world competition.
Yeah. And then they also have a chance to apply for World Robot Contest.
Oh, okay. So,
Now, don't be disappointed if you don't get any of these awards,
yeah.
because you still gain a lot of knowledge and you get an award for that.
You get a certificate, and this is called a participation proof.
It's called Proof Participation.
Yeah.
And the Proof Participation Award is that it's proof that you joined the competition, you gain a lot of knowledge about robotics, and that you have succeeded.
And that's great. And you can always join next year. Let's move on to the Excellent Mentor Award.
The Excellent Mentor Award is given to the mentor that pushes and encourages students to gain a lot of knowledge and experience through this competition.
Oh, okay.
And due to the amount of students that they submit into the competition, they have an increased chance of winning this award.
Oh.
They also, if their students are like really well behaved and well trained too, then they have an even greater chance, because more award-winning projects will increase the chance of them getting the Excellent Mentor Award.
Yep, and the quota for this award is 5 for each match.
Now for the last award, which is the Excellent Organization Award. The Excellent Organization Award is the same thing as Excellent Mentor, but there's one difference, because instead of giving it to the mentor, it is given to the education organization.
Oh.
And Afi, there's only 5 quota of this award for each match.
Yep, just like the Mentor Award.
So for more information, please visit MakeX official website, www.makex.io.
Yep, thank you for watching.
Bye, see you for now.
Let's go do our project, Jimmy.
Okay.